Good morning, YouTube family. How's everyone doing? I haven't filmed in a while and I miss filming so much. So this morning, as I get ready to go to work, I figured, why not film and get ready with me? Now, like I'm saying, I do have to get ready to go to work, y'all. So there won't be much product detail. See, we can't talk already. It's been so long I haven't filmed. Much product detail. Just me sitting here, catching up with you guys and talking. And as you already see, I've already started because I have to keep going. How's everyone doing? Hope all is well. Fall is in the air. Oh my gosh, I already missed summer. I'm such a summer person. Fall and winter. Spring maybe. Yeah, but fall and winter is just not my cup of tea. Let me take care of these bags. I need my eyes with some color correcting. So last update, everything is wonderful, fantastic, awesome on my part. Work is going great. It keeps me very busy, but the important thing is that I'm happy. I miss YouTube so much. But the good thing is a lot of you guys are already on Instagram. So you guys are keeping up with me on the gram, which I post regularly on the gram. If I don't post, then my stories are quite regular. There might be a week where, you know, a few days might go by where I don't have any activity, but you can expect something from me at least once or twice a week, and there's sometimes when it's like every day. So that is the best place to keep up with me is Instagram, if you're interested. My everyday routine that I wear to work, this is my work look, so it's not too much. It's just enough. My foundation of choice today is the Laws of Nature Cosmetics Foundation in the shade Chestnut. Some things have not changed. I've been using this foundation for a while now, and you know, if it ain't broken, why fix it? I do have a lot of requests from you guys to try some new foundations to review, and I do plan on doing that. It's just that, you know what it is? Honestly speaking, a lot of these green beauty companies that you guys are interested in me trying, they're mostly available online. So which means that there's no guarantee that the shade that will come will match me, or that the foundation will work for my skin tone, not my skin tone, but my skin type, you know, that I will like the foundation. And I'm sure most of you know these green beauty non-toxic foundations are not cheap. So therefore, the problem that happens to me is some companies that you guys want me to try, if they don't offer samples, I find it hard to buy the full size when I can't honestly say that it's going to work for me, and the full size is like 50. Okay, let's start though, 40, 50, $60 and up. So if they would offer samples, which only makes sense to me, and I've been preaching this since day one, since forever, I don't understand it. Like, you know, if you are solely an online company and it's makeup and there's no guarantee that your product is going to fit, you know, you got to test out different products to see which one matches your skin tone or which one works better for your skin. It only makes sense to offer samples. Like, I just don't get it. It doesn't make any sense to me. So a lot of the products that you guys want me to try, like for example, which one? Which one was I recently requested to try? Who was it? Was it Carewize? Someone. And I went to the website to actually look at the foundation to think about buying it, to try it and review it for you guys. I just said, wait there, $50, and you don't offer samples. So that's like $50 down the drain for me if it doesn't work. I mean, some of them allow you to return it, but think about the hassle of returning the product. It's not the easiest. So I'm working on it, but I can't guarantee it. It's just, I don't get it. Did my eyebrows off camera. Also put on some lip gloss because my lips were looking dry and chapped and no one told me. So back. Now usually for my everyday look, I rarely ever wear eyeshadow. I don't. But lately, I don't know, I've been just applying eyeshadow because I have the time sometimes. And I like the look that it gives my eye. Now, it's nothing too crazy like a bold eyeshadow look. It's very wearable every day. So I have a little bit of more time this morning than usual. So we're gonna put on eyeshadow. Why not? Just be fancy. It's a Monday. Happy Monday. Don't know when you guys will be watching this, but it's a Monday for me. Great start to the week. On my eyelid, I'm just applying some, what's name again? Concealer. This is the Hint Beauty Duet Perfecting Concealer in the shade Dark. I use this palette. This is the Earth palette from Narissa Nefertari, and this is basically what I use to do my entire basic eyeshadow look if I choose to do one. Sometimes I use another brown nude palette. This is from Brown Leaf Cosmetics. I use this one, as you can see, I use this one often as well, but I've been really digging this one, so that's what I'm going to use. I start with this shade right here, and I use that as my crease, and I take it up more into my brow bone area, but it's not a brow bone highlight. I just put it as high as I can on the brow bone and in the crease. Let's see what else is new with me. Oh my gosh, my new hobby, my new obsession, my new everything is plants. Long story. Well, now I'm going to make it quick though, because I don't have the time to tell you a long story. I have always had what they call a black thumb, which means that I love plants. Love plants to death. Love plants gone to bed. But they always seem to die on me. I'm not going to lie to you guys. They always seem to die on me. And I would get plants every spring, get all excited, go to the plant shop, get plants, and by like a month or two, they're dead, all of them. So I basically gave up on plants, and I just lived vicariously through other people. But I always wanted to just have more plants in my home because they make me happy. They just give me a sense of peace and happiness and joy that I just can't explain. But this year though, I was determined by all means necessary to have a thriving plant collection. I started buying more plants, but the biggest difference is I've just been educating myself so much more. Like, I spent a lot of time researching, and it could be too much for some people, but for me, I needed it because I legit will kill basically every plant that I would come in contact with. So I spent a lot of time watching YouTube videos, reading articles, reading about plant care, observing my plants. I actually have a book for my plants that I take notes on, like how they look this day. I watered them and what happened when I watered them, how many days in between watering them. And I'm going to take this color right here, second to the end. I'm going to put that in my crease and a little bit on my lid. But yeah, it's a new obsession. I want to share it with you guys one day. Share my little plant haul. It's not as massive as a lot of people, but it is growing, and it gives me so much satisfaction. See the plants grow from like babies up to adults, and to take care of them and see the leaves popping out. So much satisfaction. But like I said, this is not done on my own. It's done through a lot of research, a lot of asking a friend, a lot of YouTube video watchings, and I have been obsessed with watching a lot of plant tours and plant hauls and plant care videos. But hopefully I can share my collection with you guys soon. The plan is, right, what am I gonna do? This is what I want to do. I want to share with you guys my collection so far for the that I've collected over the summer, because the real test for me, right, the real test is to see, can I have them last through winter? That will be the test. And last, we take this dark color, the darkest shade, and put that all over the lid. Because if I can have these plants last through winter, then I am extremely ecstatic and proud of myself. So that is the test. So I kind of want to acquire more plants, but at the same time, I don't want to overexert myself or, you know, do too much. And then they don't live, and then they're all dead, and then we waste all the money. So that's the next issue. But so far, they're all doing good. I legit, like I said, you guys, do so much research on them. It is obsessive compulsive research because I'm determined to keep them alive. And that is the basic eyeshadow look with just those 3 shadows from the one Nefertari Earth palette. What else? Another reason why I wanted to show you guys my plant haul collection so far is for me to see the progress that I have made over time, to see how the plants have grown from when I got them, what has survived, and just for me to just have some kind of accountability. This is the concealer I use, by the way. This is from Shea Moisture, and this is in the shade Hazel. And I do apply my concealer and let it sit for a while I do other things. So just a little bit, not much. And I don't like to bring it up underneath my eyes. I don't know why. I like to let it just sit right below because then it creases throughout the day and I don't like the way it looks. Get ready for that plant video. I really want to share it with you guys. I'm excited to share it. I hope you guys like it. Are there, in the comment section, let me know, are there any plant moms out there also as well? Any plant enthusiasts? Because you guys don't understand, it's like an obsession. An obsession. Oh, what else is going on? I have a trip coming up. Upcoming. I will be going on a yoga, holistic wellness, meditation, all that good stuff retreat in a few days in mid-October in Virginia. Me and Keisha. If you guys don't know, we vacation together sometimes. We went to Miami. If you guys didn't see that, the Miami vlog, I'll leave it right here if you guys want to see it. Fun times. I got a piercing when I was in Miami. There's a lot. I did not skydiving. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do in Miami? Not really, but yeah. Parasailing. And that was so exciting and thrilling because I am terrified of heights, you guys. Terrified of heights. But it's like, I'm getting this mentality of YOLO. I know it sounds like really young and ratchet, but you only live once. So I did it. We parasailed in Miami. And I was so happy that I did it. Initially, I was scared. But I was so happy that I did it. You guys don't understand the accomplishment I felt and the joy. Yeah, I did it. This last trip was 4 of us. This little getaway is just the girlfriends, me and Keisha, going away. I'm excited for that because we always have fun times together and we do crazy things, and when we meet up it's like crazy and fun. So hopefully I can vlog that. I'm gonna try to. I mean, I might not be able to vlog everything on the mountain, like the yoga parts and everything, but like the little things in between that I can vlog and share with you guys, I will. So get ready for that. That's coming up in October. So I'm like, I can't wait for that trip because, like I tell you guys all the time, I love my job. I'm happy with my new position now, but it is a stressful job. It is mentally draining. So that will be a good look. And we're gonna be in the mountains. And I'm such a nature girl. I might not seem like it, but I am a nature girl. Even though the fact that I can't keep a plant alive to save my life. And it's weird, you know. I was raised, well, not all my life, but I was born in Jamaica on a farm with enough plants and enough nature around me, pure nature, and I can't keep plants alive. Isn't that like so, I don't know, don't seem right at all. This is the part that takes me the longest time to do my makeup, is this part right here, because I like to just blend until my life blend until my ancestors say, enough child, you have done well, you have blended well, enough child. And then I set it with a little bit. I don't like to put a lot of translucent powder. I don't know why. It's just from trial and error. You see people like on the regular beauty gurus, they put like a lot of translucent powder underneath their eyes to set it. I put such a minuscule, like this is on the brush, like the sponge, and I just gently tap it. A minuscule amount. I don't like a lot because for me personally, I don't like to see like that powdery look. Even though I do spray and all that, I still see it sometimes, and I just hate it. Let's bronze up the face just a little bit. And this one I'm using my Shea Moisture Illuminating Mineral Bronzer in the shade Dusk, and I use it very sparingly because I don't believe they make this anymore, and I actually like this bronzer. Oh, actually do. Just a little bit, not too much, because we're trying to preserve this. Looks, oh, I thought, okay, doing too much. You know what, forget it. I'm not showing it because it's not meant for me to show to you guys, so I'm not showing it, because next thing you know, I'm gonna show it and then the whole something broke up. Nope, sorry, nope, not showing it. Now we're gonna highlight. That I'll show you guys. This is the oldie but goodie. This is the Brown Leaf Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Orange Sorbet. Still one of my favorite highlighters. Brown Leaf Cosmetics makes some of my favorite highlighters. Not too bold in your face, very subtle highlights that are buildable. That is the good thing for me, because I start off light and then I just add and add and add. And you know, I am going to work, my corporate job, so can't be blinding them too much. My personality already blind them enough, so I gotta tone the highlighters down just a little bit. I'm gonna show you guys my go-to lips that I've been wearing for the past few weeks. Been obsessed with this look. I've had this lipstick for a while now, and I'm gonna have to purchase another one, because now that I've mastered the art of how I like it to look, I need to get a new one. But this is Coral Crush from Red Apple Lipsticks. That's how she's looking. And I put some brown lip liner, and I just apply this in the center. Well, my lips are a little bit chapped. Oh my gosh. I should have done a lip scrub. But oh well. And I blot it on the top lip. That's about it. Let my hair down. Well, speaking of hair, I do plan on doing a hair update video. I know you guys have been waiting and dying and asking for me to do hair videos. Those are like my favorite, mostly viewed videos. You guys love my hair videos, so I do plan on doing an updated hair video very soon, maybe this week. So stay tuned for that as well. But let my hair down, and then I go upstairs, I get dressed, put on the jewelry, and I get ready to go to work. So this is my basic work look. Most of the time it's without the eyeshadows, but if it's with the eyeshadows, this eyeshadow look, or some kind of basic nude or neutral eyeshadow look. But this is the face. This is the face going to work 99% of the time. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoy what you see, don't forget to subscribe. I mean, why not? It's a great channel, and I do plan, I know I say this, but I'm coming back little by little once I get my schedule all sorted out with work and everything. Let me go, because I talk too much and then I'm gonna late again. Anyway, have a good day, you guys, and thank you for watching. Bye.